On this episode, we will be making some honey sriracha wings. Hope you guys are hungry, because I know I am. Let's go. We are going to marinate the wings. I recommend using some pre-cut wings. If you don't have pre-cut wings, you can use a kitchen scissors. It'll take a little more time, but I'm a little bit crunched on time, guys. I'm sorry, I'm being a little lazy today. First, we're going to marinate it with some salt and pepper. We're going to flip these over. Throw in some more salt and pepper on these. Okay. Now we're going to make a sauce. For the sauce, you will need 2/3 cup of honey, one tablespoon of white vinegar, and I'm using a 1/4 cup of sriracha. Ultimately, it depends on what you prefer. Some people do 1-for-1, like 1/3 cup of honey to 1/3 cup of sriracha. I'm going to use a little bit less, using a 1/4 cup. Next, we're going to stir this up and let this reduce. You're going to want to give this roughly around 5 to 7 minutes so this can reduce, depending on how good. You want the temperature to be on low so it can reduce over time. So this can get a little bit thick. We have the oil at 350 degrees. I will now begin to put in the wings. Don't put a lot at one time. I'll leave these to fry for roughly around 9 minutes. I'll set my timer. So some of the wings are ready. I'll begin to take them out and leave them on the cooling rack and place the rest of the wings in. If you happen to have an electronic thermometer, check and make sure that you have it at 175 degrees internal temperature. Once again, as you're placing your remaining wings in, just carefully place it. Do not dump it because then the oil will go flying everywhere and you will have a really, really bad fire. Don't ask how I know. When I play the waiting game, give it another 9 minutes. Okay, so it's been roughly around 9 minutes. Next, I'm going to take out the wings. I'm going to leave these on the cooling rack so they can cool down and dry up. Alright, so the wings are cooled down a little bit. Now we are going to put them into the bowl. Keep in mind I said cool down a little bit because they're actually still pretty hot. Okay, got these wings on here. Going to put down some of this bad boy sauce. Okay. Oops. Now give this a little bit of a mix. Yeah, I'm going to get some tongs. This will be much easier with some tongs. At least I hope. Okay, we're going to put some of these on here. Okay, now we have a little pyramid. Drizzle a little bit more honey on these. Throw down some chives. And last but not least, some sesame seeds. There we have it, my honey sriracha wings. Alright, now it's time for my favorite part. Time to enjoy the fruits of my labor. Cooked just right, juicy, tender, and some crispy edges. Sorry for speaking with a mouthful, but this is just so good. If you like what you see, please subscribe, like these videos, and please tell any of your friends and family. Appreciate all of you guys watching my videos. Until next time, let's go.